I remember my my incision spot. It was really hard and it was really uncomfortable, and I ended up having to get blood work, and they found out I had it. It was rejecting, and had to go through a bunch of biopsies. And
so I was readmitted back and put on prednisone.
What happened is I wasn't taking my meds, and I wasn't eating properly, so that resulted in the whole big thing. I ended up staying in Toronto for about 4 or 5 days.
Honestly, taking pills, you really, truly don't know what they actually do. And when you don't take them, you don't really know what's going to happen.
And I was on heavy medication, and I was also, they put steroids in me.
Realizing missing pills isn't good. Put that into my head pretty fast, yeah.
People should take care of their kidneys so they don't get put on prednisone, or you'll not like the results of prednisone.